It's crazy lightning out here. Look at it. Coming out to look.
How is it so quick?
Just keeps going. It's been going like that for like 20 minutes.
Bad day to be an airplane or a helicopter.
Yeah.
Is that a drone?
I think it's an airplane.
Why is it getting higher? Oh my god. It's like Zeus.
That's actually, October Mountain is that way.
What was that way?
No, that's Beartown.
Oh, I can sleep out here tonight.
It's nice, isn't it? We should camp out soon.
Let's do it this weekend.
We gotta get a bigger tent though. You guys are huge now. We don't even fit in our tent. What? Because the sky is busy, dude.